In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll or unenroll from Coursera courses, step by step. First, let's start with enrolling in a course. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Coursera website. Once you're there, locate the Login button, which is typically at the top right corner, and click on it. Enter your login credentials, which are your email and password, and sign in to your Coursera account. If you don't have an account yet, you might need to create one by following their straightforward sign-up process. Now that you're logged in, it's time to find a course that interests you. You can use the search bar at the top of the page if you have a specific course in mind, or browse through various categories to explore different subjects. Once you spot a course that catches your eye, click on the course title. This will take you to the main page of the course, where you can read a detailed description, learn about the instructors, and see the syllabus. On the course page, you'll notice options like Enroll for free or Purchase course. If you're looking for free access, you can select Audit the course, which provides access to most of the course materials. Alternatively, Coursera offers financial aid for those who wish to have full access, including assignments and certificates, but prefer not to pay. Click the relevant button that suits your needs and follow the on-screen prompts to complete your enrollment. Once you've successfully enrolled, you'll find your new course listed under the My Courses section on your profile. Now, let's move on to how you can unenroll from a course if you decide it's not the right fit for you. To begin, revisit the Coursera website and log into your account. Head over to My Courses, where you can see all the courses you're currently enrolled in. Find the course from which you wish to unenroll and click to access its main page. On this page, look for either the Options tab or Course Details section. This might be labeled slightly differently depending on the version of the website. Within this area, you should find the option to unenroll, often marked as unenroll or leave course. Click this option and confirm your decision when prompted. It's important to note that unenrolling might affect your progress or access to materials depending on your enrollment type, so ensure you're certain about leaving the course. After confirming, the course will no longer appear in your My Courses section. And that wraps up our guide on enrolling and unenrolling from Coursera courses. If you have any questions or require further assistance, feel free to reach out to Coursera's Help Center, where you can find more resources and support. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!